Hello, I'm Tanya. I have already tried your milk bubble tea and I really love it. And Johnny said maybe I should try this one. So let's do it.
Like us on Facebook if you haven't, and don't forget to subscribe for more new videos.
I have never seen it in Ukraine. No, wait. I have never seen it anywhere. Look at this. What is it? Is it chicken? You know, it smells really peppery. And look at this. Just look at this size. It's bigger than my hand. No, it's really bigger than my face. Let's try it. You know, it's really crispy. Why didn't you feed me with this earlier? How did they make it so big? I really have never seen this big fried chicken in Ukraine. I really like potatoes, so probably I like whole fries. Oh, I see something new here. Can you tell me what is it? I like this one more, much more. This one is more sweet and more crispy. I like it more. Johnny forced me to try chicken ass, but I have no idea why people need to eat this. Even if it's not disgusting, it's still chicken ass. You know what? I got really thirsty. I will be full only after that.